If you notice someone with a black dot on the bomb, call the police. Did you know what does this spot mean? It means that someone is in trouble. So, if you ever see someone that has it on the bomb, don't wait a second to call the police. We are talking about the campaign Black Dot campaign, which started on Facebook, and it's a way to recognize the victims of domestic abuse. So next time you see it, you will know that it is a call for help. The victims of domestic violence put these dots on their bombs, in order to show you that they're in danger, and if you notice them, call the police and help the person. The black dot on the hand lets professionals know you're a really vulnerable domestic violence survivor, and that you need help but can't ask because your abuser is watching your every move. In just 24 hours, the campaign has reached over 6,000 people worldwide, and has already helped 6 women. Please spread the campaign, and post a picture of your hand with a black dot, to show your support to all survivors of domestic violence, said the organizers of the campaign. Here's a story from that one domestic violence victim shared with us. I'm heavily pregnant and the baby's father is very abusive. With words, his hands. I've been petrified for so long, and even more with the baby coming soon. I was at the hospital yesterday, he was with me, he never leaves my side anymore. I had to have an examination, so the consultant asked me to lie on the bed and drew the curtain. I leaned over and took the pin out of his pocket, pulled his hand over to me and wrote "help me." I didn't have to say a word. This campaign gave me the strength and the idea how to ask for help. I am now safe somewhere else thanks to that consultant and the Black Dot campaign. Thank you. 1 week to go until my due date and I am finally safe.